We just got in Las Vegas.
We found the Grand. We're going to the Grand Canyon.
And we're going to the Grand Canyon.
The Grand Canyon. Man, I think big.
I've never
been to the Grand Canyon.
I don't gamble anymore. Now we're in the Grand Canyon. Look at this.
Holy shit, we're driving down to the base. Normally they take burros down this thing.
Just so you know, here's Chainsaw.
We're in the Grand Canyon right now. Wave to these guys if they come out yelling at us. Dude, check this place out.
The Grand Canyon.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Dude, we're in the fucking Grand Canyon.
Grand Canyon.
Holy shit, right in the middle
The Grand
of Las
Canyon,
Vegas,
all the water.
man.
Where's all the water? Where's the Hoover Dam?
I think, no, the Snake River's down here.
Snake River.
Oh yeah.
Hoover Dam, Las Vegas.
Holy shit. Dude, this is I can't believe it. Does this fill up with water?
Yeah, no, maybe this is this might be where the Oakland Raiders are going to be. The Las Vegas Raiders.
Yeah, they're about as good enough to be underground.
Yeah, Las Vegas Raiders.
Oh yeah.
Super cool.
This guy is not going to think we're very funny over here.
Yeah, Grand Canyon.
Film it. Here, this guy. Wave to him. Here, they're building the. Yeah, they're building the.
We're doing Grand Canyon.
Dude, look at this place, man. We're like 100 feet down in the ground.
Yeah, maybe this is the Flintstones. This might be where they filmed the Flintstones.
The new Flintstones.
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 Wow, Las Vegas, babe. The Flintstones. Yeah, the yabba dabba do time, a dabba do time. You'll have a grand old time.
Oh, here he comes. Here comes.
Yeah, this is
Here's
fun.
Fred Flintstone.
This is fun.
No, this is where Fred works.
Fun.
See what this guy has to say.
This is Las Vegas. We're having fun.
Is this the Grand Canyon? They told us this was the actual Grand Canyon.
We're having a good.
What are they mining out of here? What was mined? Really, huh?
We're making a funny little video. This is awesome though, super awesome.
You actually are filling it in though, just landfill, huh?
This is what real work is. We're goofing around here.
All right.
Thank you. Here, get me one time. Hold the video.
Patty, we're here at the Grand Canyon.
Famous,
World famous Pat Lyons in the Grand Canyon in Las Vegas.
We're gonna say go pro poker.
Yeah.
Go pro poker. Anybody normal would get kicked out, but we're likable guys. This is fun. The Grand Canyon. Oh, what a funny team.
Man, I've never been to the Grand Canyon before.
This is cool. This is cool. All the years, a lot of years, and then never to the Grand Canyon. And now they're filling it in.
I can't believe they're filling in the Grand Canyon. Why would they fill in the Grand Canyon?
I don't know.
I thought that was like a historical landmark. It's even cave park.
Hey, here's the rocks. What are those rocks that light up next to each other?
Volcano rocks.
No. The rocks that are like light up. Not Pikachu. What's it called?
Oh, Stonehenge.
Stonehenge. That was Stonehenge.
Stonehenge.
Stonehenge back there.
Look, get another view.
Here we go.
See their helicopter, and there's helicopter tours of the Grand.
Yeah, helicopter tours of the Grand Canyon. This is cool. Oops. What was that?
There's another canyon over here.
Another Grand Canyon. Two Grand Canyons. That's the Grand Canyon.
Look at that thing. It's like hidden too.
Anyway, guys, that's your Las Vegas tour. You're with Chainsaw, Steve Dempsey, world famous Pat Lyons. How you doing? Atta baby. Peace out. World famous Pat Lyons. Chainsaw team Steve Dempsey. We've got here the sandwich spot. Sandwich spot there. See that? You never know what's gonna happen. And never, ever, guys, ever pay full price again. We love y'all. Go pro poker. Peace.